I'm a digital nomad and I really love earrings. So I'm going to show you exactly how I pack them so they don't become a huge mess in my suitcase when I travel. I have a piece of felt, a piece of ribbon, and then inside 3 more pieces of ribbon where I've attached the earrings onto. I'll show you up close. Everyone has a backing on it, whether it's rubber or metal. I did have to go buy a set from Amazon for some that didn't have backs on them, like those with the long hooks that you wouldn't normally store with a back. But this is fantastic. It's saving me so much stress and so much mess to keep everything really nicely organized. This is like a cotton ribbon that is somewhat perforated, so it makes it really easy to slip the earrings in and out. We can show an example. So we've got right here, we'll just slide the rubber backing off, pull the earring out, slide the rubber backing off, pull the earring out. And when I'm ready to put it back, I just poke it through a hole, easily poke it through the hole, and then slide the backing back on. This makes my life so much easier when traveling and allows me to bring all my beautiful earrings with me, and I'm so happy with how it turned out.